Hello friends, here I come with new video. Today I am going to show you how to convert bike accelerator as a foot accelerator pedal. Especially when we ride long distance, it's boring to hold accelerator in one position. So I create this simple system as a basic idea to avoid that. This is a crazy, but it works. Let's see how it works.
We need two pieces of wood, cords, hinge, nails and tools. Attach two pieces of wood like accelerator using hinge and nails. Then attach a nail on middle of the upper piece of the accelerator. Attach cord number 1 to nail. Cord should be strong enough to tolerate the moderate tension. Tie up cord number 2 as shown. You can see we can hold accelerator on one place using our cord. Then attach cord number 1 to cord number 2. Now you can see when we accelerate, our foot pedal accelerator is working. Also, there is no problem while turning the handle. Let's see its function.
Okay, that's all. If you like to get notifications of videos like this, please subscribe our channel. Also like, comment and share. Stay safe and cool. Thank you.